In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a resume to Google Sites. This process is straightforward, and within just 5 minutes you'll have your document neatly embedded and ready for viewers to access. Whether you're a seasoned Google Sites user or venturing onto the platform for the first time, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's get started. First, open your Google site where you'd like to add your resume. Once you're logged in and have navigated to the correct section of your site, you'll want to locate the Google Drive icon. This icon is generally easy to spot, typically looking like a triangle composed of yellow, green, and blue colors. Clicking this icon will open a window presenting you with various files stored in your Google Drive. Now here's where personal preference comes into play. If you're like me and enjoy organization, you might choose to use the magnifying glass search feature. Click the magnifying glass, typically found near the top of the window, and type in keywords related to your resume file. This feature allows you to quickly locate your document without sifting through numerous folders. It's quite handy for those who keep a full library of documents on Google Drive. Alternatively, you can choose to scroll through your files manually. This might be your preferred method if you're unsure of the name or just like to browse visually. By doing so, you'll be able to see all available documents in your drive and identify the resume you wish to upload. Once you've found your resume, the next step is simple. Click on the file to highlight it. At this point, you should see an option to insert it. This insert option is typically found at the bottom right corner of the dialog box. Clicking it will embed your resume onto the page you are editing. Remember that your resume will display exactly as the file appears in your drive, so make sure it's formatted correctly and appears professional. Congratulations, you've just added your resume to your Google site. Now viewers of your site will be able to access your resume with ease. This method is not only quick, but ensures your document is securely linked through your Google account. As always, ensuring that the sharing settings of the resume file are appropriately set is crucial. You may want to set it to anyone with the link can view if you want to make it widely accessible, or restrict it to maintain confidentiality. And there you have it, a quick guide to embedding a resume on Google Sites. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it smooths the process of enhancing your site with professional documents. Thanks for watching and happy creating.